me! Hi there, I'm Miss Oblivious, and this is my assistant, Miss Obvious. We have just received our first piece of fan mail from Claire. Claire says, I really like Miss Obvious. Okay, that's all the fan mail we have for today. Now on to my next episode.
We have decided to take this episode outside so we don't damage anything on our very expensive set.
Now that we're outside, we can begin. Step 1, pick up the ball. Step 2, grip the ball tightly so that you're able to hold it properly. Step 3, angle your arm back like so.
And make sure to twist your body while throwing the ball for more momentum.
Momentum? We don't need that. I'm showing them how to do it my way. Step 4, face the direction you want to throw the ball in. Step 5, bring your arm back to the front. Step 6, straighten your arm out. Step 7, let go of the ball.
I think I've got it.
Stop trying to show off.
Show off? I'm just trying to show them how to do it properly. You can barely throw it past a meter.
Of course I can. Watch this. See? Past a meter.
You didn't throw that. You just walked to the end of the field and dropped it there.
Well, no one's going to know. Wait. Is that microphone still on? After watching my amazing tutorial, look how far you can throw the ball. And make sure there are no distractions while doing so.
You know what? I can't take it anymore. I'm just gonna throw myself out of here.
Okay. No, you messed up. Whoops. What was I meant to say after?
We have decided to take this episode outside so we don't damage anything. We have decided to take this episode outside so we don't damage.
Action.
We have decided to take this. We have to.
Action.
Cut.
Rolling.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're making me go.
And action.
We have decided to take this episode outside so that we are unable to damage anything. Oh, I already said it wrong. I said it wrong. Okay.
Camera rolling. And action.
I'm sorry for that.
You could have kicked out.
But I thought it bounced in it.
Action.
Okay.
And cut. Yeah, you cut.